While YouTube still says the community tab is in beta, they seem to be rolling it out to a ton more creators in the past few days. In this video, we're going to take a look at the community tab, check to see whether you have it, and then give you an idea of exactly how you can use it to help grow your YouTube channel. Deliver your value. Hi, and welcome to Creator Fundamentals. My name is Dan Currier, and I am here to help you deliver your value through online video. So the community tab, an opportunity to engage even deeper with your audience, has previously been reserved to channels that had at least 10,000 subscribers. Over the past few days, I've received a ton of reports of channels with much fewer than 10,000 subscribers getting access to the community tab. Are you one of them? We're going to talk about it in this video and show you exactly what the community tab is and how you can use it. All right, so we're going to hop onto the computer so I can show you exactly where to find the community tab and the things that you can do with it to help grow your channel.
All right, so here we are on my YouTube channel, Creator Fundamentals. To find whether or not you have the community tab, you're going to go to your channel and look across this top menu here. As you can see, you have your normal home, videos, playlists. Now, as you'll see right here on my channel, it says community. If you do not have the community tab, this will say discussion. And it's a completely different concept in terms of what you can do when you go into this particular tab. But we're going to click on the community tab. And as you can see here, this is my community tab. So this is the feed that I've created since I've had access to the community tab. It's a variety of things, everything from photographs to video links. You can see the collab we did there with D. Niman. Some candid pics from VIDSUMMIT, all kinds of things that you can share with your audience to help build engagement. You can also do polls, which are cool. If you have questions that you want to pose to your subscriber base or your community, you can share those right within the community tab. So what we're going to do is go all the way back to the top and show you exactly how the menu options work. Here it says post something publicly, and you do actually have the ability to mention other channels. I think the way this mention works is you can only mention other channels that have the community tab. At least that's what it seemed to be. Last time I tried to mention somebody, it would let me mention somebody that I knew had the community tab. When I tried to do it for somebody who did not, I couldn't get it to identify their channel. But the good news is they seem to be rolling out the community tab to a ton of channels. Been hearing from everybody that they have in fact been getting the community tab at far below 10,000 subscribers. So that's a good thing. As they continue to roll out, hopefully we will get an understanding of exactly who's getting them, whether there's an actual subscriber limit, whether it's 1,000 subscribers or what they've actually done. The best that I can see, YouTube has not put out any official word on this. The instructions in their forums still make reference to the community tab being in beta, so we'll see how that goes. All right, so let's take a look at the actual menu options. You can see you have the option here to share an existing YouTube video. You can add a poll, and you can add an image. So let's take a look at the actual add an existing YouTube video, see how that works. You can actually do a search on YouTube. You can enter an actual URL or a video, or you can click on your YouTube videos and actually get a list of your videos. You can select whatever video you're interested in sharing. In this case, how to upload a video. And you can see that it populates that particular video, gives you the opportunity to make a post, do something like, hey everyone, have you uploaded your first video yet? All right, so basically what happens in the power of the community tab, and why I certainly recommend that you take advantage of it if you are granted access, every time that you post something on the community tab, it ends up in the notification feed for your subscribers, provided that they're receiving notifications from you. So it's that extra engagement, it's that extra visible reference to your channel that they're going to see in their list of notifications. So it's a great way to interact with your audience, especially if you're in between videos. Maybe you are not recording on a given day, but you have the opportunity to post a question, to share one of your previous videos. One of the things that I like to do is take a video that I've released, and maybe after a couple days, sometimes I release my videos at night. So what I'll do is I'll release it at night, and I get kind of an overseas crowd throughout the night, and in the morning I will post the video to the community tab as a way to bring that notification fresh into everybody's mailboxes or up on their phones so they can see that I did in fact put out a video the night before. It's also a great way to poll your audience. If you don't want to do a video, you want to do a poll, for example, you can post a question and you can then give a number of options that they can fill in. And if you've used polls on other platforms, it's basically the same thing. What is a video? And again, it's going to be a notification that goes out to them, a way to engage with them and get their feedback. You can use it to figure out what kind of videos people want to see. If you have a particular question related to a video, maybe you could post the video, let them know that you posted a video and then post a poll over on your community tab. And if you want to try to drive people to your community tab, you can maybe mention that you're going to put a poll in your community tab relating to a video and vice versa. It's a way to kind of control that conversation and move it around your channel, get people used to the fact that you have content on the community tab to build that engagement and that relationship right here on your channel. So another thing that you can do is add an image to your community feed. As you saw in mine, I was able to post a bunch of pictures with some of the people that I met at VIDSUMMIT. Depending on what your topic is, you can certainly, you post behind the scenes photos that relate to a particular event or location or topic that you were covering. And again, it's all about growing your community, hence the name community tab, creating additional points of engagement with your audience, and helping to build a stronger relationship. So once you get the community tab, I highly recommend that you take advantage of it. As you can see, it is pretty straightforward. People are going to get those notifications if they have in fact selected to receive all notifications from you. And it is a way to get in front of your audience even when you're not making a video.
And hey, don't forget, this video has been sponsored by TUBEBUDDY. TUBEBUDDY is the #1 browser plugin for managing and growing your YouTube channel. It's available to download for free, and there's a link in the description below. So let me know in the comments whether or not your channel has received the community tab, and also tell me how many subscribers you have, because I'm still trying to pin down exactly whether they've set a threshold or whether they're rolling it out to everybody. I'd love to hear from you so we can figure this thing out together. Also, be sure to tell me if you plan on using the community tab on a regular basis to help grow your channel. And hey, if you would like to receive future notifications on videos that can help you deliver your value through online video, consider clicking that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss a thing. My name is Dan Courier, and you've been watching Creator Fundamentals. Thank you.